This is the Pentax Q7. As you can see, it does say that it's got the 0.2 lens standard zoom. So we're gonna get this opened up. CD for some next level stuff, and we've got a lanyard, and then we've got next layer. Then in here we got, oh damn, oh my god, I cannot believe this. They've actually given me a tiny tripod. This is the power adapter, and here's the battery, and then we've got the battery charger right here. What do we have? Oh, look at this. Okay, so we've got the lens. Oh, look how small it is. Okay, we've got this lens, and we've got the camera over here. Wow, look how small it is. English, obviously. Why the heck do you want me to set this up? You know what? Oh, is it only in the UK, US? Oh, okay, we go all over the world.